the Douglas fir is, oops, come here. The Douglas fir is going to be the lighter cladding. There's a few areas of light cladding, not the charred stuff. The light cladding is used for the walkway decking, and the decking outside of the sliding doors, and the underneath. Wait, come here, pups, come here, and the decking underneath the soffit. Wait, I'm trying to talk to camera. Come here, come on. You're okay. Oh, just something fell over. Come on. Hey, just quit it. All right, just quit it. So we've got two piles of this, and this is the older stuff, and there's another pile which is about 2 years old. So I'm going to use up this pile first. Most of it will be rotten on the outside. I'm sure there's some good stuff in there. I made it over length. They're about 6 metre long pieces because the ends will be gnarly. So we'll cut those off, about 1/2 metre each end. And that should just about fit on the mill, all being well. We'll make some cladding pups. Yeah. But I'm definitely going to put some extra supports in there. I'm very worried about that. Let's go, pups. Come on. Let's go. crikey, it's been a bit of a morning putting the slidey doors in. Fortunately we've got our neighbour James driving the telehandler from our other neighbour Mick. Thank you very much to both of you, it's been very helpful. The slidey doors, which are like mounted on like a stillage, which is like a transport frame, they've been mounted on the wrong way, like the wrong way twice, like the wrong way up and the wrong way around. And the final door in the assembly sequence, because there are 3 sliders, one is a locking door, that's been mounted on the front. So you've got to take that off, drive it round the back and put it on the other side of the stillage, and then take the other one off and flip it round. Oh, it's been a nightmare, absolute nightmare. But the guys are doing a good job building the windows, pretty good. They're coping with it. So, on the plus side, it's an absolutely cracking day. Beautiful sunshine. It's lovely. And so the sliders are in, and something's not right. They don't lock, and so the one at the end, this end here, that's the locking end. It's about 10 millimeters too short in its track. So this should lock here, and it doesn't. Just doesn't latch in. So the track is all right. The track is made to drawing. The opening is made to drawing. It looks like one or more of the doors are not made to drawing. So we're talking to the manufacturer via the window fitting company, and hopefully that'll get resolved. They do look good though, lots of light. We got the corner windows in, they actually look pretty good. We were actually quite worried about the corner feature being too heavy, you know, visually, where they join, but it's actually not that bad. All triple glazed, should let plenty of passive solar heating through. Not that we'll need it, but thanks for watching this film, and hopefully you enjoy them. I have to say, really amazed by how much support we get from, you know, people around, our neighbours, and, you know, people online. It's just really amazing. So thank you very much. Coming up, I know I keep saying this, we're going to get the windows in. The bigger crane is booked for next week, and I've had to do some extra work to get that in, but it's going to happen. Yeah, it's definitely going to happen. So see you on the next one. And I've ordered another microphone, as I do keep losing them.